everyone, Devin Barnett here with MarineMax at Lake of the Ozarks. Today we're on the all-new 2023 Harris Sunliner 250. As you can see, we have the front loungers up front, storage underneath all these compartments, USBs at the cup holders on both sides. We have our in-floor storage. Make our way to the helm. We have storage underneath the helm as well. JL audio, 6 speakers, sub and an amp. We have our passenger door. Then we also have our Simrad screen, JL audio, the new Mercury throttle, captain seat with flip-up bolster and armrests. Make our way to the back. Again, we have dual loungers on each side. Trash can on this one. More storage on this one. Storage underneath all these seats, again with USBs at the cup holders and dual batteries, equipped with the Mercury 300 and a 10-foot bimini. Again, my name is Devin Barnett, MarineMax. Give me a call, 573-606-3037. Thank you.